welcome back to Sarah's Kitchen. Today I have a recipe, broccoli salad. This is 3 Weight Watchers freestyle points. You can adjust the recipe to your liking. This is just my version of it, and it's also my first time making it. So I have 2 pounds of broccoli here, which is about 11 cups. I have a half a cup of shredded carrots. I have 7 thin slices of Cracker Barrel extra sharp cheddar cheese that I sliced up. And then 3/4 of a red onion. I also have a half a cup of real bacon bits. And here I have a cup and 1/4 of light mayo by Best Foods. I also added a few dashes of pepper, Himalayan pink salt, and this garlic ranch seasoning, about 8 to 10 dashes of this. I also used 4 packets of these. You probably could get away with only using 2 to 3. I didn't want to put real sugar. And then I also added 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Any brand, that's just the one I choose. So I'm going to add it in the cheese, the carrots, and the onion. What I like about this container is I can put the lid on and just shake it up. You don't have to dirty another spoon. Now this is very low in points. You could add more cheese, you could add raisins, you can add walnuts, whatever you and your family like. Now, the person I got this recipe, I forgot to add the bacon. The person I found this recipe from, she said when you double her recipe, you really don't need to double the mayo mixture because it actually gets watery. So I'm gonna take her advice. Everything's mixed, nice and even. They say to let this chill for at least a couple hours, but best results for a day or 2. I was hoping to make this and bring it to work tonight, but I'm running out of time. So I'm gonna just try this tomorrow, and I'm gonna bring you back for my opinion. So I'm gonna toss this up. Oh, if I can get this back on. I'm gonna just toss this up and throw this in the fridge. And the next time you see me, it'll be tomorrow. Hey everyone, it's the next day, and I just want to show you how it's coated, nice and even. Not a lot of juice at the bottom, which I'm happy about. And I'm also happy that it's not as sweet as I thought it was going to turn out. It's actually a nice sweetness, not too much. It's not overpowering. My only suggestion would to be add a little bit of pepper or more of that ranch garlic seasoning. Other than that, it was delicious. 3 points for 1 cup. You can add more bacon, sunflower seeds, raisins, craisins, whatever you like, you can add to this. But for this recipe, it's 3 points for 1 cup. Make it for a week. Have a little side serving, or like I said, potlucks and stuff. Your friends and family will love it. Let me know down below in the comment section if you've ever had broccoli salad, and if you have a different recipe that you would like me to try, please leave it below. I will test it out. And if you've never had it and you end up making mine, let me know how you like it. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.